Hey, welcome guys. I'm doing a review of the Google Chromecast audio, which is basically a device that connects to your regular speakers and turns it kind of smart. It allows you to broadcast audio from your iOS or Android device over to your regular speakers over Wi-Fi using a 2.4 or 5 gigahertz signal. For a size understanding, I placed it next to the Galaxy S8 just so you understand just how compact this device is. Unfortunately, you can't stream Bluetooth to it. One thing I find interesting here that it looks kind of like a vinyl record. I'm not sure if Google had done that on purpose, which is kind of neat anyway. There's only one button on the device, but that one button is used to factory reset the device. Now, setting up the device is incredibly easy. Google gives you a 3.5mm audio jack wire that comes out of the box, but mine's a little bit different because it's an adapter to RCA cabling. And the other end, of course, is your micro USB wire, which is used to power the device, which is about 5 feet long, but you can also connect it to a computer if you want to. And that's it. That's all you need to do to power it and connect it to your speakers. And once again, due to its compact size, I want to show you guys just how easy it is to hide behind your speakers so you don't really see it, because it doesn't require line of sight. Remember, you're projecting your audio over Wi-Fi, and that's it. It's already hidden in just a matter of seconds. And the rest of the setup process is done within the Home app, which is available for Android and iOS. Setting it up is a matter of seconds. It connects to your Wi-Fi, and then it's pretty much set up. Once it's there, it's available in your list of other Chromecast devices and allows you to project audio to it. And not only that, if you have multiple Chromecast audio devices as well as Google Home devices, you can actually use them in unison as kind of like a Sonos. You can play multiple speakers at the same time. So certain apps like Spotify and Google Play Music can natively project to the Chromecast audio, but if you want to project audio from any app on your cell phone, for example, and the Google Home app hit cast screen audio, then in this example I called it my bar speaker, tap that, and if I open say the Netflix app, it'll project the audio from Netflix to the speakers, which is useless, but you do have the ability. One cool thing I noticed is that when I'm doing this with Spotify and I get a phone call, the phone call is not being projected to my speakers, it's just on my cell phone. So this Chromecast product, as well as other Google Chromecast products, and including Google Home products, were crashing people's home Wi-Fi connection. Didn't matter which manufacturer router you had, pretty much the popular ones like Linksys, Asus, TP-Link, and the list goes on, were impacted by this. The way people found out is because they kept complaining in Google forums until a Google employee confirmed that yes, their Chromecast and Google Home products were sending too much data to the router, causing the Wi-Fi connection to crash. And it took a few weeks for Google to actually realize this was a problem and then release a patch, which then took another couple of weeks. So for over a month, people had this issue, including myself, and I actually thought it was my home router that was broken. So can you imagine people going out and buying a new router? And you can actually find more news about this by just simply Google searching Google Chromecast home router crashing or something along those lines. You will find a lot of results. So it's nice that Google fixed it, but it took almost a month for them to discover it and fix it in the first place. So when I renovated my basement and we got around to putting everything together, I actually dug up my old boombox from my teenage years, and the Google Chromecast audio actually breathed new life into it. It made it smart speakers, saving me several $100s not having to buy a new speaker set, whereas the Chromecast audio cost $35 US. Now for the most part, this product is great and I love the idea of it. It's a very simple concept that is extremely effective, although there are some problems. So the first, of course, is that home router crashing issue, which could happen again, and it took Google over a month to discover it and fix it. And I also wish it had the ability to broadcast Bluetooth. And I know it sounds a bit ridiculous, but what if you want to stream music from your cell phone to a speaker where there's no Wi-Fi connection available? Maybe some sort of house party, you don't know the person's Wi-Fi password. They should have raised the price tag just a few more dollars and included that functionality. Overall, a great product worth checking out. And that's it for me. So if you guys found this video useful, be sure to hit that like button, check out my social links in the video description, subscribe, and thanks for watching.